Ooh,
Oh,
that's
what
not
is that?
corn. That's rusted metal.
Oh, that is weird. Okay, anyway, here we go. Don't leave your coffee on the car. I am going to be seeing Dr. R today, and he's going to be torturing me on the stairs. This I know. However, I am now taking a hike instead of doing my regular walk around the corner to the coffee shop. I've come to Tryon Park, which I used to love to hike and take the kids to. I don't know, can you see my face? Anyway, and then now people will probably look at me right now and think I'm a weirdo, but I'll show you a little bit of Tryon Park, and you're gonna be so jealous. Okay, here you go. Okay, I do see the school bus, and that equals kids. And I know I have 5 kids, but oh god, I hope they're not on the trail. Anyway, talk to you after my Dr.